How to restore the recently deleted Instagram posts. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have recently deleted your Instagram posts such as pictures and reels, you can restore if it is not deleted permanently from the Instagram's archive. For this, you have to click on your profile and tap on the three horizontal lines which is on the top right. Here you will see different options. Now you will see the first section, how to use Instagram. Tap on your activity and you have recently deleted section. As you can see, only you can see this post and they will be permanently deleted after the number of days shown in the screen. As you can see, this picture will be deleted after 26 days. Tap on it and then tap on three horizontal lines. After the three horizontal dots is tapped on, you will see two options. Either you can delete it or restore. Tap on restore button and confirm it, and just within few seconds it will be restored in your Instagram. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you have got any questions, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.